How to resolve the cannot connect to the App Store error on an iPhone. Well, to fix or resolve the cannot connect to an App Store error on the iPhone, you want to start first by verifying your internet connection. You can switch in with your networks and check if your network connection is fine. And you can also then check the Apple's system status page. So first you want to restart the App Store. Simply first close the application. Then once you have closed it, what you want to do is you can proceed to restart your device as well. That should fix the issue sometimes. Then you can visit the Apple's system status page to see if there is any issues with the system. So you can search in for Apple system status and support system status and proceed to check if there is any issues. You can also try a different network, as I mentioned earlier. You can see your one current issue, you can see what issue is there and such, right? Now, if you're using VPN, you want to disable the VPN. Now, sometimes your date and time settings can be the issue. If you have set your date and time settings to manual, then your App Store will not work, and in Android as well, your Play Store will not work if you do that. So you want to head over to settings and you want to find the date and time settings, and from there you want to proceed to make sure that it is to set automatically. You want to make sure that set automatically is enabled. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.